Hi everyone, I'm back with another YouTube video to update you on my progress with monetizing my channel. I won't take but 2 minutes of your time as this will be a super short video. I've learned that being consistent is probably one of the most important things I should be doing, so I'm committed to posting at least once a week. My channel is all about the beauty and hair industry, so that's what I'll be sharing the majority of the time on this channel. And if I can't share anything beauty or hair, I promise to show up and share my analytics with you. I'm not going to ask you if you enjoyed the video like most YouTubers do, but what I will ask of you is that you please leave me a comment and let me know what it is that I can improve on. And I have another request, and that's if you would consider subscribing to my channel, as your subscription will help my channel grow. Now, let's get into the analytics of my channel. Last week I posted a video. Last Sunday I posted a video. It's been 7 days. And here are the results. I'm going to also show you a screenshot of my YouTube analytic results at the end of this video, like I did last time. I had 1.4K views, 5.8 watch time hours, and I gained 4 new subscribers. That's a win for me. 4 new subscribers, yay! I'm really grateful for those new subscribers, and I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. Peace and blessings to all of you.